how to download your project from Emergent AI. First, open up the project which you are trying to download or export. And right here underneath message agent, you want to click on save next to GitHub. So click on GitHub. You will need to connect GitHub for this. So we're just going to integrate GitHub. You want to install and authorize. And once we have authorized GitHub here, then we can close this. Okay, so just like that, you want to click on save again. So once you click on save, you will need to create a new repository. This is going to be just a test. So I'm going to do new repo, Emergent AI, and you want to click on save to GitHub. Now, why are we doing this? It's because we want to download the code there or the project directly from GitHub. It's going to act as a middleman essentially. So we're just going to wait for this to create the repository. And just like that, you can click on view on GitHub. Once you click on view on GitHub, then if you click on code here in the top right, then you will see the option download zip. So you will just download the zip file, and just like that, you have downloaded or exported your app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.